Okay guys, I'm going to trim the stone. Get rid of this rubbish that's on there. That's nice. Okay guys, I've trimmed it with the 320, okay, and see, it's starting to get really good colour. Look at that, beautiful. Seeing straight through it, all the cracks are gone. Now what I'll do is polish it up with 600 and then I'll do a 3000 and we'll see how it goes. Bye for now. Okay guys, I'm going to trim it now with 3000. Clean it, I mean. And when I finish this, we'll get to see what it weighs. Now, from what I could see, I've cleaned it right up, and there's no more cracks. That's wow, it looks pretty good. It's pretty nice. Okay. When I finish, I'll get right back. Okay guys, I've finished cleaning the stone. We'll have a look what weight it is. 27.9 carats. Okay, so I lost 9 carats cleaning it. Okay, we'll have a sticky beak at it now. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Okay, there's the cross table. There's the table. It has a bit of silk in it. You can see silk lines, you know, with colour bands. Actually, not silk. It's colour bands. The colour bands are stronger. That's the way. That's the, you know, what you would call it. Okay. Now we've seen it with a torch. Okay. Let's have a look at it in natural light. There she is. Beautiful. It's absolutely. Okay, let's have a look. Where is she? There's the sun. Okay. Okay. There it is. Alright, that's about it. Yoo-hoo! Okay, I'll think about it and might sell it. Don't know. Okay, like, share, subscribe. God bless. Bye for now. Thank you very much. Ciao.